Hi, this is Steve Davis over at Total Wealth Academy, and this is Misconception Monday. The misconception that a lot of people have is that when you go out and buy real estate, you should not be afraid. And what I mean by that is they think that because they're afraid, they can't go out and buy real estate, shouldn't go out and buy real estate. That is a huge misconception. Do you know that every deal that I do, I'm afraid? I have fears, I have insecurities. There were times when I was buying, say, another 200 unit apartment, when I would literally stay up at night, couldn't sleep, because this was the deal that was going to bring me down. And you have fears, you have insecurities. It's okay. Do it anyway. Don't ever expect to not be afraid, because it's not going to happen. There's always going to be fears and insecurities. So what you want to think about is reducing those fears and insecurities, not getting rid of them. And the way you reduce fears and insecurities is simply through education. Because if you've got 20 fears about investing in real estate, and you go take a course on real estate investing and they knock out 15 of them, you now only have 5 fears. And chances are you're going to be able to move forward and take action even with those 5 fears. Because it's important to have fear. One of the scariest things that happens to me as a consultant is when someone comes into my office and goes, "I'm not afraid." Guess what? They're going to make mistakes, they're going to do dumb things. That you've got to have some fear. It's necessary and it's wise. So again, the misconception that we're not afraid when we buy real estate. We are, but we do it anyway. That's Misconception Monday. Thanks for watching.